Life hits hard. Many times we fall to the floor making a great want. Wants called love, money, work, or family. No matter how much darkness we find ourselves, there'll always be a ray of light that illuminates our poorest being, our heart and mind. Never stop trying. Probando, probando, 1, 2. Funciona.
Hi everybody, welcome to the second part of this adventure in Malta. After the surprises in the arriving day and the time I've been spending in the last night, I really decided to visit some natural places because Malta is not just an island, it's more than this. So get comfortable and enjoy this great adventure.
Okay, today is a new day and I want to visit the Gozo Islands. So for that reason I moved in a bus. It costs €2 and it's for 2 hours.
Actually, you can take more than one bus, but always in the period of 2 hours. You can pay the ticket in the bus, but I suggest you to pay you with cash. And if you are asking what the local money is, yeah, it's euro. I moved from my hostel address that was in Pietrastown to Santos Paul's Bay because from here I could take the transport to Comino Island. It took around 1 hour, but unfortunately for me it took more than 1 hour because I got lost, so for that reason I had to change 2 times the bus.
I met a girl from Germany and she said to me that there is an application called Your Guide Tour. I live in the application for travel in Europe, that you can see all the tourist guide, tourist tickets, some plans in all the Europe, so maybe I will see how it works.
I had downloaded the application and it has really good options, but for me it was kind of expensive. And I decided to make a low-cost trip. The reason? I didn't have enough money.
The weather is not hot, it's a windy day, I feel the humidity. I sweat right now, but it's okay.
The month I went was in August and the weather was so good because we were in summer season. People from every part of the world come to Malta for vacations, Erasmus or learn English because English courses in Malta are so famous, giving the opportunity to meet people from every part of the world.
Yesterday I hear a lot of English, French, Arabic maybe, but I can't find a person who is Maltese, that is original of Maltese. I meet a lot of people from Japan, Portugal, Brazil, Italy, and I don't meet the local people.
Actually, I met 2 girls from Malta and they were very kindly people, but unfortunately I couldn't have enough time to make an interview.
I'm searching what is the place that I can get information about the tour. I saw many websites that give you the advices, but I don't sure.
At the same reason of the application, the price was considerably expensive and I decided to travel by myself, and let me tell you that was the best decision that I had done in this trip because for going back I just paid €10. When I arrived to Comino Island, I had a surprise because there were a lot of people there. But I really want my place, so I decided to go far away for this tourist place and have a really good time with myself. So I go to another part of this island.
are doing hot weather, and I arrived to Comino Island. It's crowded people, as you can see. There are also some restaurants, food truck, and you can buy beers, water, food, and also there are some tours that you can book to stay in the boat, have a little party, or have your place to swim. The water is so clean and transparent. I can see everything. It is amazing. There are a lot of rocks here. It's really nice. It's my first time that I see this kind of nature near to the sea. Some places are sand, but most of them are just rocks. And also, I went, if it is there, that place. I want to go there, but I have to swim. So let's go. I really want to take a picture here of mine, but I don't know why. So let's try to take a picture. As you can see, I'm not sure maybe you can do, but there is a transparent water. It's really amazing. It's not too much salt as in Italy. I don't know why, but I like it. Another one! Woo! I really love that. The sea, the island, the smallest one, the bigger one, and also there is a castle here. Subscribe if you want this kind of content, and don't forget to be friendly, sincere, and take a shower. See you in the next video.